April, the grace sprout out of the earth. We are here in Dandong to seek the beauty of the blossoms and birds.
The mountains and rivers are bathing in the beauty of the spring. The spring breeze blows the fragrant flowers gently.
On high would be two lovebirds flying wing to wing. On earth, two trees with branches twinned from spring to spring.
Over the blue water, birds appear snow-white. The bird wishes it were a cloud, the cloud wishes it were a bird.
I leave no trace of wings in the air, but I'm glad I have had my flight.